Okay, let's get into it.
Welcome back, little adventurers. Today, Cleo is about to go on a magical journey in the enchanted garden. Are you ready to join her? Let's go.
Oh wow, what a beautiful fountain. Look at all those colors.
But something strange was happening. The colors of the fountain began to fade, one by one.
Oh no. The rainbow colors are all disappearing. I've got to save this beautiful fountain somehow. Hello, Emma. I'm Cleo. The colors of the rainbow fountain are fading, and I need your ruby to bring back the red color. Can you help me?
I'll give you the ruby if you can solve my riddle. What has many colors, but you can only see it sometimes?
Many colors, but only see it sometimes. Ew. I know. It's a rainbow in the sky.
You're right, Cleo. Here. Take the ruby. You earned it. Good luck on your quest.
Cleo collected the first magical item, and the red color returned to the fountain.
Excuse me, Bruce. I need your emerald to restore the green color to the rainbow fountain. Can you help me?
To earn the emerald, you must show me your bravery, Cleo. Climb this tree and grab the highest leaf. Well done, Cleo. For your bravery, this emerald is yours.
Hello, Sammy. I'm on a mission to restore the colors of the rainbow fountain. May I have your sapphire to bring back the blue?
I'll give you the sapphire if you can answer this. What is soft as a pillow but falls from the sky?
Oh, that's easy. It's a snowflake.
You're very clever, Cleo. Here's your sapphire.
Cleo knew she had to act quickly to save the fountain.
We did it. The rainbow fountain is back to its beautiful self.
Thanks to Cleo's cleverness and courage, the garden's rainbow fountain was restored, bringing joy to everyone who visited. And so Cleo's adventure ends with a colorful success. Remember, little adventurers, sometimes all it takes to solve a big problem is a little bit of cleverness and a whole lot of courage. Until next time, keep exploring and having fun.
Thank you for watching. It would be awesome if you would take the time to comment, like, and subscribe. Ring the bell so that we can notify you of our new videos. Have a great day. Bye-bye.